Hey everyone, welcome back to my series of videos of solving all of LeetCode's problems. Next we have number of 1 bit. Write a function that takes the binary representation of an unsigned integer and returns the number of 1 bits it has. Okay, previous video, which was this problem, reverse bits. I explained a lot about bit operations because actually I didn't know anything. I had to learn about it to solve that problem. So if you don't know what's going on, I suggest you check it out. So let's go. Make a directory, 191, number of 1 bits. So code 191, number of 1 bits. I think this will be pretty straightforward given the previous exercise. Hamming weights. So what do we do now is we have an n. So weight. I'm gonna start it as a 0, and I'm going for each 1 bit that I find, bit that is equal to 1, I increment the weight. So for I in range 32, because there are 32 bits, this is an unsigned 32-bit integer, right? Input must be a binary string of length 32. Yeah. Okay, so that being said, what we can do is let's check the bit. Bit is equal to the n and 1. If bit weight plus equals 1, and we always need to shift it according to I. So when we get to the end of the cycle, we've checked every bit. Return weight. Let's go, copy this. I'm feeling confident, so let's just submit it. Pray for the best. Cross our fingers for me. Yes, it works. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. If you didn't understand what's going on, check the previous video, the problem 190. Bye.